The numerical topic of electromagnetic theory. Last based 5 and 10 questions with solution. I will solve this lecture platform. It's a very useful and important questions for GATE, JEST, TIFR and IIT JAM. Okay, students. Now see this. A monochromatic plane waves at oblique U incidence undergoes reflection at a dielectric interface if Ki vector, Kr vector and N vector are the unit vectors in the direction of incident wave, reflected wave and the normal to the surface respectively, which one of the following expressions is correct? Now we know that ki vector minus of n vector, ki vector minus of n vector dot of multiply kr vector, it's equal to the in the direction of incident wave, reflected wave and normal to the surface respectively. Then the C option is correct. Ki vector minus n vector dot kr vector is equals to 0. Next, second question. For an optical fiber, it's useful for GATE, JES, TIFR and IIT-JAM. For an optical fiber with core and cladding index N1 is equals to 1.45, N2 is equals to 1.44 respectively, what is the approximate cutoff angle of incidence? And cutoff angle of incidence is defined as the incident angle below which light will be guided. Repeat these questions. For an optical fiber with core and cladding index of N1 is equals to 1.45, N2 is equals to 1.44 respectively, what is the approximate cutoff angle of incidence? Cutoff angle of incidence is defined as the incidence angle below which light will be guided. Then I will solve theta is equal to sine inverse solution. Theta is equals to sine inverse 1 minus n2 by n1. One minus n2 by n1 square to the power 1 by 2, where n2 is equal to 1.4544 and n1 is equals to 1.45. Then theta is equals to sine inverse now solution theta is equals to sine inverse 1 minus n2 by n1 whole square to the power 1 by 2. Then where n2 is equals to 1.44 and n1 is equals to 1.45, theta is equals to sine inverse 1 minus 1.44 into 1.44 and 1.4 divided by 1.45 into 1.45 of 1 by 2, and theta is equals to sine inverse 0.11726 to the power 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 6.67 to the power 0, approximate of 7 point. Then it will be the answer of 6.67 degree, approximate of 7 degree. Then option A is correct, 7 degree. Next, third important questions. The electric field of uniform plane wave propagating in a dielectric non-conducting medium is given by E vector equals to S cap 10 cos bracket of 6 pi into 10 to the power 7 t minus 0.4 pi hertz. The plane velocity of the wave is, what is the plane velocity of the wave? The question is the what of the plane velocity of the wave is. Now we know that lambda equals to omega by k, then omega 6 pi into 10 to the power 7 divided by k 0.4 pi. Then of the calculation of 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now next, number of 4 questions is the circuit. What is the questions and what is the find of this circuit? Then find the resonance frequency. Find the resonance frequency radian per second. Find the resonance frequency. Find the resonance frequency radian per second of the circuit shown in the figure below. Option A 1.41, option B 1.0, option C 2.0, option D 1.73. Now we know that omega is equals to root over of 1 by LC minus R square by L square where R is equals to 2 ohm, L is equals to 2H, and C is equals to 0.25 Fahrenheit. Then omega is equals to root over of 1 by LC minus R square by L square. Now the answer is 1. Option B is correct. Now the number of 5th questions is which one of the following quantities is invariant under Lorentz transformation? Charge density, charge. C, option C current, option D electric field, option B charge. Which one of the following quantities is invariant under Lorentz transformation? Is charged. Charge one of the following quantities. Number of 6th question, an unpolarized light wave is incident from air on a glass surface. Air on a glass surface at the Brewster's angle. From the previous video lectures, we know that the description of Brewster's angle, the angle between the reflected and the refracted, wave is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. It's a 90 degree.